What is the best way to compare floats for almost equality in Python? It's well known that comparing floats for equality is a little fiddly due to rounding and precision issues. For example, this URL. What is the recommended way to deal with this in Python? Is a standard library function for this somewhere?
Python 3.5 adds the math.disclose and path.disclose functions as described in PEP 485. If you're using an earlier version of Python, the equivalent function is given in the documentation. rel_toll is a relative tolerance. It is multiplied by the greater of the magnitudes of the two arguments. As the values get larger, so does the allowed difference between them while still considering them equal. abs_toll is an absolute tolerance that is applied as is in all cases. If the difference is less than either of those tolerances, the values are considered equal.
Something as simple as the following may be good enough.
I would agree that Gareth's answer is probably most appropriate as a lightweight function/solution. But I thought it would be helpful to note that if you are using NumPy or are considering it, there is a packaged function for this. A little disclaimer though, installing NumPy can be a non-trivial experience depending on your platform.
Use Python's decimal module, which provides the decimal class. From the comments. It is worth noting that if you're doing math-heavy work and you don't absolutely need the precision from decimal, this can really bog things down. Floats are way faster to deal with, but imprecise. Decimals are extremely precise but slow.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.